With Italy, the spreads have behaved pretty well recently. Do you expect that to continue if we get Bersani and Monti?
Well, as you mentioned, the spread has been reasonably well behaved. Only once we saw it trading about 300 basis points earlier on the 11th of February. And I think this behavior is underpricing the tail risk out of this election. We have a number of, a good degree of uncertainty, also because we have been through a 2-week blackout period for opinion polls. But I think that most market participants are expecting Bersani and Monti to succeed in forging an alliance after the election. And we should see if the electoral outcome is in this line, we should see some relief rally after.
But Alessandro, the negotiations between Monti and Bersani will likely be pretty complex. Is that going to worry the market?
I think so, in the sense that the immediate reaction would be relief, but obviously many commentators have already pointed out to the Prodi experience of the 2006-2008 period, when a large center-left coalition was unable to push forward hard-nosed reforms and in the end succumbed to Berlusconi in the following election.
On to the Fed, FOMC. I know Bernanke goes before Congress next week. Did the markets read correctly what they heard yesterday?
Well, it was surprising to me that the minutes were such a big market mover. Actually, the surprise came on the 3rd of January, when the minutes for the December meeting were released. Most analysts, in preparing their outlook for this year, had factored in $85 billion of purchases per month for the whole of the year. And those minutes actually revealed that there is quite a divided FOMC. So Bernanke will have to answer some tough questions in Congress next week.
Just to finish up, EC projections out today, economic forecast for 2013-2014. Looks like a number of countries will miss their deficit-cutting targets. Is that the main focus for you?
I think the focus will be on France and Spain in particular. The current projections see France deficit at 3.5%, already above what the government says, and for Spain at 6%. We might see some split patch there. In particular for Spain, if we see a number above 6.5, they will not probably taken healthily by the market.